Take your two cords and make sure they are equal in length and fold the cord about 1/3 of the way down. Tape the cord so that the shorter sides are in the middle and the longer sides are on the outside. You should have 4 strands total. Taking the most left strand, place it over the 2 in the middle and under the far right strand. This creates a loop on the left. Now take the far right strand and go under the 2 strands in the middle and pull it through the left loop. Slowly pull the 2 outer strands until a knot forms. Remove the tape and continue to pull the strands until your knot is completely tight. Once we have our knot formed, we're going to place the tape back on top of our strands to hold it in place as we proceed with our process. We're going to follow the same steps but on the opposite side. We're going to start with the rightmost strand and cross it over the 2 strands in the middle and under the far left strand. Then take the left strand and go under the 2 in the middle and through the right loop and pull. We are going to repeat the pattern, going between left and right until we reach the bottom of the strands in the middle or until we run out of cord on the outer strands. Once you are done, scrunch the end up until you get a tree shape. Taking a needle and thread, go through the middle of the cord from bottom to top. Be careful not to poke yourself. Pull through all the way at the top and don't remove the needle or tie it off just yet. We will be using our needle to add our beads. Thread the star bead at the top and loop the thread back into the bead to secure it into place. And then go ahead and cut the thread and tie it off, leaving a loop so you have somewhere to hang it on. At the bottom of your tree, go ahead and tie and cut off the extra thread. Using your needle and thread, we're going to attach some bells to the bottom of our tree. In order to make sure that our cord does not unravel, we're going to use some glue. In our case, we use super glue to glue the ends of the cords and snip off any extra cord, so that nothing comes undone. You can also add some glue to the thread so the bells don't come off. Now you have a lovely macrame Christmas tree that you can use to decorate your own tree.